Hey guys, so I actually really like my lip combo today. I used only two products actually. I'm not yet finished with my makeup. I still need to do my brows. I haven't done my brows yet. Oh my gosh. It's been raining, but it's still very hot. I'm in the car. There's no aircon yet. Wait, let me turn on the aircon first. Oh my gosh. Ooh, thank God for aircon. I use only two products, but I have a matte version and I also have a glossy version, and I'm going to show you guys in a while. Before anything, I will show you my necklace. I made this necklace. I used to sell handmade accessories that I make myself, and it's so pretty. I'm so obsessed with opal stones, but they are pricey, they're hard to find, and I just like the look of it. I 100% love stones and their benefits, what they can do to your body and your mind, but I just love the look of opal stone. So even if it's like not real opal stone, I really appreciate it. And for me, they are very opalescent and I love it. So this, I also made these rings. These are made of resin and mermaid flakes and glitters. So yeah, I love them. I wear them all the time. I made many accessories already with the resin. So if you guys are interested in seeing everything, all my creations, just let me know in the comment section down below. But for today, I'm going to show you guys this lip combo. So let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, I'm going to have to remove this lipstick that I have on. So as you can see, this is my natural lip color and they're almost the same. Okay, I still have a little bit of tint on, but alright. So I just use two things. Usually I use concealer to blank out my lips, like just around the corners of my mouth, just because I have like darkness here, but I don't need it right now. But let's just pretend that I have concealer right now, and I'm just gonna blot that around my lips. After that, I use this Face Secret Definer lip pencil in the shade Caramel. What I do is I just line, kind of overline. Okay, I'm gonna bring you guys closer. So what I do is I kind of overline here. Overline. I'm using my phone screen as a mirror, by the way. So I just overline a tiny bit. And the great thing about this shade is that it's just a few shades darker than my actual lip color. Then I do this, and then I line. You know, if you are using a lip liner that is just a few shades darker than your actual lip color, it's okay to overline. Lately, I've been into overlining my lips, but just a little bit. I don't even know if it's doing anything, because it's like, you know what? I need to get myself a phone holder for the car. I actually really like this color. It's so natural on me. I'm still on the hunt for the perfect lip pencil. And by the way, I'm holding my phone right now and my arms are getting tired. As you can see, the more I line, the more pouty it looks. And this is not a crazy shade, so even if I overline, it's not that bad. Then you can even blend it a little bit with your finger. But I want to make my lips more pouty, so I'm going to add more on top. Just like that. Very subtle, nothing too crazy. The goal is to make your lips more pouty. Like that. And then we're going to add the lipstick. This is such a simple lip tutorial, but I love it. Alright, so next is the lipstick. I'm sorry if you guys can hear the aircon because I turned it on. It's so hot here in the car. You don't really have to use the exact same products. You just need to find a similar shade. Now I am going to use the MAC Mare lipstick. This is just a mauve pink shade. Here, MAC Mare. Hopefully you guys can see MAC Mare lipstick. Alright, so I am going to apply this all over my lips. You know, this is such a pretty shade. See? And the great thing about this shade is that it kind of blends in with the lip liner that I had on earlier. I love this shade. Oh my god. Okay. Again, this is Mac Mare. This is a mauvey pink. It's more like brownie in real life, but on camera it looks more it looks more pinky. Super natural color lang. So this is how it looks like if you like a matte lip. But if you want to make it glossy, I have one product for that. I usually wear it like this, matte, because it's more comfortable. But I will take my cover pick first because after I apply the gloss, I won't be able to do my cover pick anymore. So I'm gonna do it right now. I'm gonna show you guys now what product you can use. You can use any gloss, but this is the one that I have here right now. This is the Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Cream. This is also it's like a tinted lip gloss. So I'm just gonna add some of this on my lips. Alright. Okay, so this is like a pinky shade. There you go. It's like a pinky shade. This is also really pigmented. You can even use only this and it's already like a lipstick because this one is also really pigmented as you can see. But I'm just gonna apply that here. This is such an awkward angle. There you go. That's it. It's not super glossy actually. Now that I'm looking at it, it's not really that glossy, but it just adds a little bit of like shine, which I like. It's not super glossy and not sticky as well, so it just added a little bit of shine without being sticky. So I love that. Ooh, now that I'm using it, it actually feels minty. I haven't used this in a while and I forgot that it's minty. I love it. I love minty lip products. So love it. I love it. This is gonna stay in my bag. So that is my lip tutorial. My lips look so pouty now and it's not super exaggerated. Not super overlined, but if you guys want overlined pouty lips, I have a tutorial for that as well. If you don't want lip fillers but you want to look like you have lip fillers, we're gonna do a tutorial for that as well. So thank you so much for watching. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!